Hey guys, welcome to JJ Fish Alliance. I'm Johnny, the father of Rex and Janelle. Uh, Today, I'm going to share with you the new member to my 200 gallons tank. And this is going to be a predator fish. And I'm very excited about this one. For those people that know me before, actually I have this fish before. But last year, there were due to ignorance of myself, the fish jumped out from the tank and it died. It actually is very saddened me, but it's okay. I mean, I learned from that one and I'm moving on. Okay, so if you are interested, then let's continue seeing what the fish that I just acquired today. Is Asian arowana. Here we call it blue base crossback. You see how beautiful it is, purplish with nice pearls. So I'm going to unbox this package and let's continue seeing this video. Thanks. Let's take a look on this newcomer. Isn't it beautiful? Later on, I'm going to turn off to dim the light so that it's not too stressful for the newcomers, because previously he was from the smaller tank, and also not too many fishes in the previous tank. Okay, this blue base crossback is a pellet train. I love these fishes because they're very elegant, and in Asia they treat it as a dragon fish. So in this tank, I really hope that beside this silver arowana, I have 2 dragons. So 2 at least represents prosperity in a way, like double dragons. So hopefully this one can bring me more lucks. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Hope that you like this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe our channels. Thanks for watching. Update you guys again in the near future about this blue base crossback. Thank you.